Well, there's no more freezing if you live in the northern hemisphere. There's no more freezing, there's just sneezing in the northern hemisphere, where the reason's plant sex. It happens every year. Well, come springtime, everybody starts to sneeze. Well, come springtime, everybody starts to sneeze. Well, the reason is a change of season and plant sex. Well, people call it pollen, I call it plant sex. It's all over everything, it's all over everything. People call it pollen, I call it plant sex. The insects love it, man, they love it, it makes them so happy. Plant sex, it's an insect orgasm. I hurt my hand. Plant sex, baby.